You must see this video if you have at least 3 million SHIB tokens. After a significant event in the Bitcoin market that saw its annual high of $38,000, market analysts are stating that all currencies, including Shiba Inu, are approaching a make or break moment. You should watch this if you own any SHIB tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inus. What is the most recent information on Shiba Inu coins, and how will it impact the breed's value? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But before we go on to our subject, let's check at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on November 25. The price of a Shiba Inu is now at around 822 units. During the last 24 hours, SHIB's price has increased 1.8%, with $113 million worth of transactions taking place. The token is now the 20th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market worth of more than $4.8 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you saw the video, and that the information provided here is not intended to be financial advice. Let's start the video for today now. Is a bull market for Shiba Inus about to emerge? Overnight, the burn rate skyrockets. One more surge in Shiba burn rate. Even now, a large portion of the circulating supply of Shiba Inu, one of the most well-liked currencies and the second biggest by market value after Dogecoin, is being eliminated. Recent data indicates that in the last 24 hours, the burn rate has increased by about 52,000%, sending 12 million tokens to an address that no one could access. There is an amazing maximum supply of Shiba Inus, but already about 40% of those have been destroyed. In an effort to make Shiba more rare and maybe more valuable over time, the Memecoin project team has implemented the program. The currency has had a 10% increase in price over the last 30 days, despite its recent fall. The advancement of Shibarium, the further development of Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain solution, is another element that might raise the price of Shiba Inu. Since its formal introduction in August, the network has smashed past many benchmarks. Japanese dog, the total number of transactions most recently exceeded 4 million. Furthermore, wallet addresses topped 1.2 million, while Shibarium's total blocks are about 1.8 million. It would be really appreciated if you could click the like button if you were still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. Significant statement from the SHIB team about Shibarium regarding the continuous activities of SHIB developers on the Shibarium testnet. Ragnar Shiba, an admin of the Shibarium tech channel on Telegram and member of the Shiba Inu team, has made a significant statement. In one of his remarks on this, he recounts something unusual that he thinks is there in graphic detail. There is a cooking going on. There's activity on the Shibarium testnet. A screenshot of Discord channel admin DaVinci, another member of the SHIB team, was shared by Ragnar Shiba. The letter claimed that data from the PuppyNet Scan Explorer, which is used to monitor different metrics of the Shibarium testnet, indicates that the Shiba Inu development team, headed by the mysterious Satoshi Kusama, is actively working on something related to ongoing Shibarium development and activities. DaVinci, the admin, advises the SHIB community to keep an eye on this. Meanwhile, a quick look at PuppyNet Scan reveals that Shibarium's testnet, which has been operational since the middle of March, has been heavily utilized, as evidenced by the rapidly increasing transaction metrics on a daily and overall basis. Numerous metrics show an increase on PuppyNet. Currently, there are 48.7 million transactions total. Today's daily transfers are also visible, as they have grown to 412,220 transactions. In contrast, this week's total number of transactions on the Shibarium mainnet surpassed the record 4,100,000 level. The quantity of blocks generated on PuppyNets jumped to 2,995,000, while the total number of tokens created on the test net grew to 2436. 2038 million bone transfers have occurred. The total number of accounts on PuppyNets reached 3.1 million on November 8 and has been constant ever since. But stay tuned as we uncover more information about the Shiba Inu coin and how it might impact the project's worth both now and down the road. It's time for the video's primary plot now. The price is about to break out as the Shiba Inu flirts with a major resistance level. A significant resistance level is being persistently broken by Shiba Inu due to an imbalance in bull-bear trend stamp and attitude. Shiba Inu is a retail favorite, but it has always fallen short of expectations in terms of price growth. Currently trading at 821 after a 1.38% rise, it will be difficult to capture and flip the resistance at 900 units. The digital asset has tried many times to go beyond this price barrier, which, if successful, might lead to a long overdue breakout. The Shib breakout bottleneck. The specified resistance point stays visible. Notably, on the monthly chart, Shib has produced a series of protrusions above this level. While the endeavor to claim this position remains praiseworthy, its inability to transform it into lasting support is producing subtle dissent within the community. Additionally, numerous market analysts, these have been inspired by this failure. Some theoretical frameworks suggest that investors may not have the necessary incentives to raise prices in a sustainable manner. Given that the development team just introduced Shibarium, a Layer 2 infrastructure with the potential to eventually bring millions of people into the ecosystem, the lack of drive in this context can seem excessive. The notion that Shib may be there for a long time seems fair given the demand that Shibarium is expected to pioneer, but it is noticeably not materializing in terms of price increases at this moment. The decreasing amount of trade is another significant worry. Shib's 24-hour volume is at $100 million, down 13.69% from the previous day. If traders are unable to maintain the purchasing pressure on Shib, it may be tough to move prices higher. Shib to 1 cent, according to the projections. Notwithstanding the previously mentioned prediction for Shib, there are noteworthy occurrences this year that are influencing the token's price. Shib whale mathematics is one instance of such an occurrence. It is expected that the Shib price would eventually reach 1 cent due to the constant exposure and the Shib Army's anticipation of receiving cutting-edge dApps on Shibarium. There are many forecasts in this area, but one of the most prominent is from the analytics platform Telegan, which states that the Shib price may reach 1 cent between 2030 and 2040. Because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the true worth of Shib, many of our subscribers mention that they will not be selling Shib for the next 5 years and will instead keep millions of them. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to provide a list of the Shib you own in the comments area below. Let's give the Shib holder credit for having faith in the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to get updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.